Welcome to our Nutrition Made Easy workshop. After we are born, first we sort out the oxygen problem. Once we work out how to breathe that in, the very next thing that we look for is food. From that moment on, food plays a deep and meaningful role in our lives. Every time we get upset during these first few years, chances are we will have a nipple, fake or real, stuffed into our mouths to soothe us. And often, it does work. Think of the association we build up between feeling better or being soothed and food. Every mega event and celebration involves food. Indeed, often they revolve around food. Graduations, weddings, Christmas and Easter, even funerals are not complete without food. And of course, there's the most important event of the year for every one of us. Our birthday. What would you think of your birthday party if there was no food or no birthday cake? Think about the key role of the cake. It holds the candles that, when lit, triggers the singing and the hurrahing. That's the happiest moment of your life. As children, when we are given a treat by parents and influential adults, often it was food, or food was a key part of it. There are few special activities that don't involve food. What will a trip to the movies or a theme park be without popcorn, sweets, or soft drink? These celebrations or special times are when we relax and associate them with having the most fun. Fun and food become closely connected and live side by side in our minds. Each celebration cements this relationship further. Some events, such as graduations, are very important landmarks, so the food now comes packaged with more respect. As we get older, alcohol is added into the mix, further intensifying the link between fun and food. With alcohol comes sexual fluctuation, and if I'm to quote Shakespeare, he says, "Drink, it addeth to the desire, but it taketh away the performance." Then we add the excitement of sexual flirtation and the pleasure and pride of dressing up. You can see that food now is keeping some mighty, powerful company. With each celebration, each party, each treat, the connection that we each have to food is given more depth and more meaning. By the time we reach childhood, by the time we reach adulthood, the association between food and having a party is irreversibly established deep in our minds. Food becomes one of the ultimate forms of reward that we can experience as a human being. Eating becomes party time. For many of us, food is absolutely the ultimate form of reward in our boring day-to-day lives. More specifically, certain foods come to represent party time better than others. Chocolate will be the old faithful in this regard. Think about the foods that cause you the most problems. Your favorite stuck on the weight foods. How many of them are the foods you typically find at a party? For many people I work with, eating their favorite or forbidden foods is really an escape from their stressful lives into their own brief little personal party. If you start to think thoroughly, I think you can see the problem that arises when our dietitian, our doctor, or even ourselves tell ourselves that we have to stop eating those unhealthy foods and go and exercise more. Consciously, we will think that is a good idea. We all want to be healthier and lose weight, but deep down in our subconscious mind, in our unconscious mind, a much more powerful voice is quietly but firmly nagging and saying, "Nice idea, but it ain't gonna work. Too many sacrifices in this plan." It's a bit like being told you're never going to party or have fun again. For most people who then start to diet, this is the beginning of a quiet rebellion. Join our nutrition workshop today and find out why you eat the way you do.